Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, not just about the stars, but about the sheer, mind-boggling cost of getting there? We dream of space travel, of colonizing Mars, or even just launching a simple satellite. But the question that often gets lost in the cosmic wonder is, how much does it actually cost to build a spaceship? Is it a billionaire's playground, or could a collective dream become a reality? Let's be real, the answer isn't a simple dollar amount. It's a complex equation with variables that could make your head spin. We're talking about more than just metal and fuel. We're talking about cutting-edge engineering, years of research, and the sheer audacity to defy gravity. First, let's break down the big-ticket items. Research and development alone can eat up billions. Think about it, you're not just building a car that drives on roads. You're building a machine that has to survive the vacuum of space, withstand extreme temperatures, and potentially carry human life. That requires countless simulations, prototypes, and tests. We're talking materials science, propulsion systems, life support, and navigation, all pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Then there's the cost of materials. We're not using your average steel here. We need lightweight, durable alloys, heat-resistant tiles, and specialized electronics. These materials are often rare, expensive, and require intricate manufacturing processes. And don't forget the fuel. Rocket fuel isn't cheap, and the amount needed to escape Earth's gravity is staggering. But it's not just the hardware. Space missions need a robust infrastructure. Launch facilities, tracking stations, and mission control centers all contribute to the overall cost. Building and maintaining these facilities requires significant investment in land, equipment, and personnel. And speaking of personnel, you need a team of highly skilled engineers, scientists, and technicians. Their expertise comes at a premium, and the training required is extensive. Now, let's talk about the type of spaceship we're considering. A small satellite designed for Earth observation will cost significantly less than a crewed spacecraft destined for Mars. A simple CubeSat might set you back a few $1,000,000, while a large, complex spacecraft could easily run into the tens of billions. Think of the International Space Station, a marvel of engineering that cost over $150 billion. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are changing the landscape, bringing down costs through reusable rockets and innovative manufacturing techniques. But even with these advancements, space travel remains a hugely expensive endeavor. They are not just building rockets, they are building entire ecosystems of support to make space travel more viable. And let's not forget the hidden costs, insurance, launch failures, and unforeseen technical glitches. Space is a harsh environment, and things can go wrong. A single launch failure can wipe out years of work and hundreds of millions of dollars. So, is it a good investment? Well, that depends on your perspective. The potential returns are immense. We're talking about scientific discoveries, technological advancements, and the potential to expand humanity's reach beyond Earth. But the risks are also high, and the timeline for return on investment is often measured in decades, not years. Ultimately, building a spaceship is a massive undertaking that requires significant financial resources, technical expertise, and a healthy dose of ambition. It's a gamble, but one that could potentially unlock the secrets of the universe and change the course of human history. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.